Hi, Jockey here. Thanks for watching this video. And I want to answer the following question. Is MLM Lead Pro good for beginners? And in my opinion, MLM Lead Pro is perfect for beginners because it does a couple of things. It teaches the beginners to do the most important thing, which is to build your own email list. And secondly, it provides the newbies or beginners with opportunities that's low startup cost, that's been proven and tested, and it's legit. So MLM Lead Pro take care of all these issues that beginners have when they start online, and it helps them not to get involved with scams. It gets them involved with the right niche, which is the make money online niche, and we train them as well to do things right from the start. So let's take a look at MLM Lead Pro. Now, MLM Lead Pro is a free marketing system that anyone can use to do two things: to build the email list, which is your biggest asset and you should be your main focus. Any online marketer that's on social media, doesn't matter, they always bring the people or their followers from social media onto their email list, because social media changes all the time, new algorithms, etc. And but your email list stay your email list, which you can build trust and sell a variety of products or services if you want, depending on what you do. Now, in this case, you will promote MLM Lead Pro. Now, the cool thing is MLM Lead Pro provides a lot of things that you can use to build your email list, and first of those is your lead capture pages. Now, your lead capture pages is done for you. You just open the library, you choose what you like, you can edit them, you can add a tracking link. If you, for example, add the link on your Facebook profile, you can add a tracking link so that you know if leads come from Facebook. So that's very cool. You can edit it, like I said, you can delete it, you can choose a variety of different opt-in pages as well. The second thing it does, it provides you with strategies which members themselves use to generate leads and sales with it. You can work through these and you can decide which ones you want to use. Some of these strategies are free, others are going to cost you a bit of money. So it's all up to you. And you also get training to help you set everything up. Now, we use Lead Sleep, which is a email list building platform. It's one of their products. It's free to use, it's free to start, so you can build your email list absolutely for free. Obviously, with Lead Sleep, there's a pro version as well. It's all up to you if you want to use it or not. So that is that regarding the list building. Now, the second thing MLM Lead Pro offers you is done for you. Let me put it this way: proven and tested opportunities which you can be part of. Now, when you first log in to MLM Lead Pro, you will see the setup wizard, and the first thing is you watch this video, and then you will see all the core programs. You do not have to join in any of these programs. If you don't want to, you can. It's all up to you. Like I said, it's a low startup cost. For example, lead lighting is only $7, and you earn $6 commissions from the people that join, that you shared it with. Affiliate Mentor is a one-time $25 list, and List Elevate, I think, is $10 per month. I think so. I'm not sure. And then you just follow the instructions. Go through these 5 steps. You take a look at your sponsor's business. You set up your Lead Sleep. It's got the videos to help you, and then you have a traffic source that you can use as well. And that's all up to you. So a lot of these things you can join, don't join it. It's all up to you. And the cool thing is, in this case, as a beginner, you're not going to use that, but later on, you can change step 2 and step 3 to your opportunities. Right, so you simply add your own programs. Here on the left it says setup, add your own programs. You can add up to 5 programs, and when you go within those programs, then you can set up step 2 to be one program and step 3 to be another program. It's all up to you. So you can add your own opportunities or programs. if you wish. So that's super cool as well. So MLM Lead Pro helps you to earn passive income or multiple streams of income. It's all done for you. The programs, like I said, is proven, it's tested, it's good quality products, it's services, and you can use them. And you don't have to go do your own research and find other opportunities. It's all here, it's all done for you, it's ready to go, and it's all in the make money online niche, which is a great niche to be involved with. So yeah, that's MLM Lead Pro for you. Very simple to use, very easy to set up. We have all the training videos here as well, and we have a traffic exchange where you can promote your opportunities or whatever you like, and you can earn credits within traffic exchange and the video exchange. And then these traffic exchange, these credits you can use to promote some of your own things if you have any. So you have your purchase login ads, purchase banner ads, and your homepage rotator ads, and you can use your credits for these. You can earn your credits, but you can also buy credits if you want. That's all up to you. It's your choice, of course. So that's MLM Lead Pro in the box. I highly recommend newbies and beginners to use it, but it's also for online marketers that's been established for a while, because MLM Lead Pro helps with duplication, and duplication is key in your success with affiliate marketing and network marketing. Just one last thing, we also have our own Facebook group, which is very active, and the community are very active and very supportive. So get involved with that, or join the Facebook group as well. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.